Okay, here we are with Winnie of Seed Studio. You're representing today the mark at the brand at this IoT Day. Can you first introduce yourself?
Sure. Hola a todos. Soy Winnie. Lo siento, no puedo hablar español muy bien, por eso voy a hablar en inglés. Hello everyone, I'm Winnie. I'm the sales manager of Seed, and I'm so happy that I could have the chance to in Mexico and to attend the event and also to have this interview and to talk with you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much to have some time for this interview. First, for those who might not know Seed Studio, what is Seed Studio and what does the company do?
Okay, so first of all, Seed Studio is a company who is based in Shenzhen. So we founded in 2008. So we call us as the IoT and AI hardware enabler. So we provide a wide range of hardwares for AI and IoT. So we provide like sensors and edge devices and like gateways for clients like developers, system integrators, and also the ISV for using our hardwares in applications like vertical industries like smart city, smart building, like industrial 401, something like that. And even though our head office is based in Shenzhen, but our business are mainly focusing on abroad markets. And we also have the sales who is based, the business development manager who is based in the Europe and US. Yeah, and we can provide really good services to the clients. And we also have some like distributors, for example, like Mouser, who kindly help invite us to attend this event. And he can help us to deliver the products to worldwide.
Oh, and well, your catalog covers a wide range of products, like from some sensors to onboard to full IoT platforms. What are some of the key products lines or technologies that you're most proud of?
Well, I would say that I would divide our products into two different kinds. One is different sensors, and we have multiple sensors. First of all, we have the basic LoRaWAN sensors, which can help you to get the basic data. For example, like temperature, humidity, the air quality, something like that. And we also have the weather station sensor, which is the all-in-one sensor, which can help you to get the multiple data at one time. For example, like 5-in-1, 7-in-1, 10-in-1. And these are the basic sensors to help you to get the basic data you need. But we also have some special sensors. For example, like the microphone, we call it, our product name is Speaker. So it's actually just a microphone array, which can help you to capture the conversation. So to help you get to the audio data. And we also have the camera solutions, which can help you to capture the videos. So this is another data. And what else? Oh, we also have the tracker to help you to get the position. Where you are. So we have multiple sensors which can help you to get the multiple data you need, because if you are talking about IoT and AI, the most important thing is data. So we offer multiple sensors to help you to get this data you need. And after that, we also offer the AI computers for you to do the AI and edge computing things. So it's mainly powered by two different platforms. One is powered by Raspberry Pi, another is powered by NVIDIA Jetson. So it provides by different. We have multiple series and versions, so you can always choose the one that you need with different interfaces, different performance as per your requirements. Yeah, and we provide a wide range. So what we proud of us is that we provide different products which can suit clients' different needs. And we, except of providing the standard ones, we also provide customization. Because if you are talking about you want to use the products in a vertical markets, and some of the vertical markets, they might have their special requirements. And Seed, we also provide customization services. And we sort of divided our customization services into two different kinds. One is that we call it light customization. For example, you want to change your logo, or you are a software partner and you have your own image and you want to pre-flash your image to the software, or you want to like add some accessories, for example, like a change an SSD or add a 4G module, this kind of like a customization. Because for this one, we don't need to change our hardware. We call it light customization. And for this one, we can like quite flexible and support our clients for doing this kind of like light customization. And there would be no MOQ and the NRE fee will be really low. But if the clients, they want to do some like customization, for example, like change the interfaces, remove the interfaces or add more interfaces, or for example, like design new products. This we call it deep customization, and we can also support that. But with the MOQ and also some NRE fees, but we can support the clients to tailor their needs.
And very well, how you say that it's a wide range of products. I know that Seed Studio had a big influence in Asia, Europe, and the US. How you describe the company impact on the global IoT ecosystem so far?
Yeah, so even though that we are providing hardware solutions, but we still think that community is very important. So we are making our every effort to trying to promote the culture and the technology in the community. So what we do is that we trying to do a lot of like a promotion in the community. For example, we are holding different like workshops. For example, last week when we were in Barcelona for the Smart City events, we hold a Vision AI workshop for our AI camera, or we are actually the host for the Shenzhen Maker Fair. Oh, so for the one who are in Shenzhen this week, we are about to have the Shenzhen Maker Fair this weekend. So if you are in Shenzhen, feel free to join us for this meeting. So we really like to communicate, face to face with the people in the community, and we really like to hear the voice from the community.
Yeah, that's awesome that you have like this close, like face to face, almost contact with the people that buy your products, and moving more closer in Mexico. What is Seed Studio doing to integrate more Mexico to be one of your like main targets that's or the main community that is adopting Seed Studio products?
Yeah, so because we also noticed the increasing trends for the using the technology in Mexico, in Latin America, and we think Mexico, especially the Guadalajara, as the Silicon Valley. Yeah. Yes. So in Latin America, so we really want to to be here and to talk with the people, to hear your voice, to see what we can do, to better support the local community, the local market.
Yeah, thank you so much. I hope that more of the like the maker community and also the industrial community knows more about Seed Studio. And you told me that you have a wide range of demonstrations here at your stand. So maybe we can move to the stand so you can show us your products.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias.
Show us the demonstration of the Rig camera. Also, for the people watching all the products that you told us in the interview and on the things that you have here at your booth, if someone watching this want to start with your products, where they can start?
Well, okay. So firstly, maybe they can start with this. So 小 actually, 小 is in Chinese, means pequeño.
Okay.
Yes, see? So this is actually a some-size microcontroller. So this is a series that's created by Seed. So it's a some-size board, but it's very powerful. So we are integrated we're using with many popular SoC, for example, like Espresso, Raspberry Pi, Nordic, something Silicon Lab. And it's very powerful and it's Arduino native. So it's very easy for people and students, like developers, to integrate, to play around with this boards. And it's very cost effective. And also we have a really step-by-step tutorials for you to play around with different projects. So if the clients, they want to try to use our products, maybe they can start with this one. And if they want to also use some other complex tasks, learning. So we also have this kind of robotic kits. So this is actually the kits that's from Hugging Face. So this is actually open source robotic arms with 6 axes. And the whole kit, it has 2 robotic arms. One is the leader arm, the other is the follower arm. So you can control its teleoperation. So first thing you can you can control the leader arm and ask the follower arm to do the actions that you need them to do. And this robotic arm is fully compatible with Hugging Face robot platform. So it means that you can do the data collection, the training, and also the deployment on the Hugging Face robot platform. And once it's done, you don't need these robotic arms anymore, and you can just simply ask this robotic arms to do the things that you train them to do. Yeah, so I would say this is one of the most cost-effective robotic arms for the universities or researchers to learn the imitation learning or the embodied AI. Yeah, because previously, if you need to learn things related to this, you would need to have a high-performance computer for you to, to do the simulation environment, and it will cost you a lot to buy that high-performance computer. And after that, you're still going to buy a really expensive robotic arms for you to, to get the real data, because for the big challenge for you to, to do the embodied AI is that it's really hard for you to create a virtual world, to exactly same as the real world. So that is why right now many people, what they do is that they would do the informant learning on their simulation environment, and at the same time, they would need to have a robotic arms to get some real data to do some a fine-tune or calibration. And this robotic arms, it only costs a few $100. Then you can get it to start learning the imitation learning or embodied AI. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Winnie. I hope that people that are watching this want to try your products. We will link all your pages, so where they can find you, your products, and where they can buy it, for example, with Mouser.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Adios.